I have been dying to give you guys a tour of this beautiful Oakland model home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. I can't wait to take you around. Come on inside, let's take a look. This is one of our favorite floor plans we've ever done. So you're gonna come in here from the garage, and then you're going to have a half bath here. And then this moves into the first floor primary suite. That's right. This home has 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, but the first floor has this huge primary bedroom. Of course, then you're gonna walk into a linen closet here. This is a giant walk-in closet here. I mean, look at how much space this is. It's incredible. And then swinging over here, this is going to be your bathroom. Oh my Lord, look at that window. The shower is gonna go in there, all tiles surround. Now I'm gonna walk you in from the front door, and as I show you around the first floor, this floor plan has a great story. So we originally built this floor plan, the Oakland, at our 55+ subdivision in Windham, New Hampshire. And we built around a 27 to right around 3,000 square foot home on Ryan Farm Road because we needed something to match the 5,000 square foot homes on the street that then our cul-de-sac was gonna be 2,100 to 2,400 square feet homes. So we were building something that had a 3-car garage that was a little bit bigger that could easily transition into this 55+ neighborhood. Well, lo and behold, everybody wanted the bigger home. Everyone who was downsizing, right-sizing, whatever you want to call it, people weren't willing to give up on space. So everybody wanted this floor plan with the first floor bedroom, the extra bedrooms, the extra space, the 3-car garage, but we couldn't fit them on the lots. But when we had an extra lot here at Oakland Ridge Estates, we knew that this would be the perfect floor plan because it was so in demand, it's so roomy. I mean, look at this kitchen. It is absolutely huge. That's gonna be your slider out to the back, so you could put like a nice table here. And then you have this enormous living room. Fireplace, big windows. This is our home office. It could also be a formal dining room, just depends on whatever you wanna make with it. The laundry is going to be right here off the primary suite on the first floor. And this would be your guest half bath. As we move to the second floor, we're gonna come over to this bedroom first. It's a beautiful size. It's gonna have a nice big closet here. And then it's gonna have cold storage here. So I'll just take you right along in here. Because the ceilings go up so high, we built in cold storage around the house. This is going to be another guest bathroom here. As you can see, it's going to be very large, very roomy. Moving through the hallway, which again is a lovely space, as you can see, we're putting in a nice big closet right here. This also is going to be cold storage, or it could be a bonus room that could be finished. We could finish it, or you could finish it later. And then we're gonna move in here to another very large, very good sized bedroom. 2 windows. Gonna have the walk-in closet again, and then another cold storage space. So lots of storage in this house, which is important because we found a lot of people who were right-sizing still wanted to take a lot of their items with them. That's why this bigger floor plan was so popular. Another really big walk-in closet, and we'll spin around over here. This is going to be another very large bathroom and a beautiful picture window. Are you loving this new construction content? What's not to love? It's so cool to watch homes get built.